Hey, Carmen, you want to make a trade? Yeah. What do you got? You got a Gem and the Holograms lunchbox? Yep, but I don't want to trade my lunchbox. Can you? Well, I got a bologna sandwich, potato chips, and a Twinkie. What do you got? I've got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with extra peanut butter, a pudding cup, and Cool Ranch Doritos. You got Cool Ranch Doritos? I want some. But how did you get those before me? I thought you were poor. You know what? I don't want to make a trade after all. You're stingy. Hey, Joey, do you want to share some of my Cool Ranch Doritos? Yeah, and I'll share some of my pizza with you. These are so yummy for a poor girl like me. Check out these 2 cool vintage lunchboxes that I used in my video.